Morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Taking you all on a walk with us today. Put in the water. Whoa! No, I don't say it. Remember, I say the beach is kind of rough, so I make you know, say it. You know, shaky, you know.
Under you in a second. The bigger the wave, the more sand moves under your feet.
Hey,
You can be
Jesus.
on highland one more
Yeah.
moment and then lowland in a second.
So we just do a morning splash around, right?
Have the beach to ourselves. No early birds.
No early birds.
Beautiful and bright.
Beautiful. Check it out, guys. What have you? Welcome to Jamaica, man.
Welcome to Jamaica, man.
Yeah.
There you go.
Love to see it, the energy in Jamaica, man. Oh, beautiful. Yes, eh?
Clear on that one side, we're over there.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys. So just I'll show you a preview of log one. And hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.